Okay, now I'm putting the frets on. I don't know if you could see this. I made this. Well, you buy these little like I don't know. It's for like a special thing to put frets in. You get it off Stewart McDonald. It has the perfect radius on it. This is probably $5 for this piece, but to get the whole thing, it's like $200 or $300 probably. It's ridiculous. I just bought this, put a little saw blade groove in the metal, and then I, tap it with my hammer. Works out perfect. So I like to super glue them in, which is common. People commonly do that. So I put a little squirt of super glue in here. Make sure you use metal, because if you put it in a plastic container, it'll melt. And I have a little, what is it, like Q-tip. Just rub a little bit on there. Just a little bit, because my first one I put too much on and it gets in the wood. It's not desirable. So I push it down a little bit. Then you get this. Now, when you get to this part of the neck where there's nothing supporting it, you want to put a piece of wood under there or something, and maybe some towels to protect it, You like put this on there, and then do it. I'm going to resand this, so I'm not too worried about scratching it up, but if you're not, then do whatever you want, I guess. A really nice idea would be to cover this with a piece of sandpaper, and then take a wood block like this and just rub it on there for a long time until you get a groove in there, and then it's perfect. Anyways, maybe I'll do another one before I shut this video off. You want to make sure it is tight to the fretboard. And then after this, you want to get an angle grinder or something, or even a file, and trim these all down so they're perfect. I'll probably go through that in another video.